This song is a song by Leonard Cohen. When I was a very small boy, when I was maybe like 13 or 14 years old, I lived in this country town in Australia, and my best friend's sister rang me up and said, "I've found something that you need to come and listen to." And I was just a young boy, and I sat in this room and she put on Leonard Cohen's Songs of Love and Hate, this record. And as a 14 or 15-year-old boy, it blew my mind. Suddenly there was this voice that spoke into this feeling I've always had, but I could find nowhere to put this feeling, and Leonard Cohen was that. And so the first song I heard was Avalanche, and we'll play that. We'll try and play that. Yeah. For Leonard, this is for Leonard. May he forgive us. I stepped into an avalanche. It covered up my soul. When I am not this hunchback that you see, I sleep beneath the golden hill. You who wish to conquer pain, you must learn to serve me well. You strike my side by accident as you go down to your goal. The cripple here that you clothe and feed is neither starved or cold. You don't ask for your company at the center of the world. You who wish to conquer pain, you must learn what makes you kind. The crumbs of love that you offer me, they're just the crumbs I've left behind. Your pain is no credential here, it's just a shadow of my wound. It's a shadow of my wound. Do not dress in those rags for me. I know you are not poor. Don't love me quite so fiercely now, when you know that you are not sure. It's your turn, my beloved, it is yours.